The vast majority of Helion, we hire engineers, scientists, and technicians and machinists, are hands-on builders. The company at Helion is very weird for a fusion company. Today, we are 50% technicians, not scientists.
Nice.
And we have a ton of scientists because the science is critically important too. But they're supported by a huge manufacturing company. And our goal is to build as fast as possible. Some of the other things we try to do there, vertically integrate. And this is to your point on Elon Musk, like this is one of the things he's focused on at his companies has been, how do you bring it inside the critical things that are going to drive timelines, the things you can't just go buy as a commodity product and get it here soon, and make sure that you can go build those fast. And so we've done now a number of key vertical integrated manufacturing lines at Helion. I think we may be the only fusion company with a conveyor belt. Actually, our second one just came online now, where we have we have literally our production line manufacturing power supplies at Helion, so that we can move at maximum velocity rather than finding an external consultant or an external supplier to go do those.
Well, I love it. Builder first company, and you're also thinking about manufacturing throughout all of this. I'm looking at the photo of Trenta. It's beautiful.
And you can actually, I can point out on this picture one perfect example of what I'm talking about. So on the end is a green structure, green fiberglass. This is called G10. Actually, ironically, one of the main structural elements we use is this G10 fiberglass material. It's the same thing that's in PCB boards. It's the same substrate that's in every circuit board. And so we know it's strong, it's good with electricity. Only we get big pieces of it and machine it. But even in the end, you can see the bolts halfway through. There's 9 bolts in the middle there. The standard piece of G10 was not big enough to fit the end of the machine. And so we could have had one custom manufacturer manufacture a brand new piece of a custom size, build a new mold and a new machine. It would have taken, I don't remember anymore now, but probably on the order of, usually these are about 6 to 12 months. Or I could go to a supplier off the shelf, have that delivered in a week, and now machine it with all the bolts in between. And then in-house, have the G10 machine shop that can now machine the bolt holes to actually bolt those pieces together. And so that took extra engineering and having really clever and brilliant mechanical and structural engineers to figure out how to do that and still meet the needs of the fusion system. But that's what we try to, that's the kinds of teams we try to build at Helion, is folks that want to really get their hands dirty, get hands-on, build things, and move quickly. And everywhere you can, without sacrificing quality or safety, take shortcuts. Because that's the name of the game. We got to get